Hello there and welcome to 11 Plus Maths Test Lesson 13. Let's have a look at the first question. How many internal angles in the shape below are right angles? So how many internal angles in the shape below are right angles? Internal means inside the shape itself. So let's have a quick look at this particular shape and identify how many right angles can we actually make. So remember, the internal angles are actually going to be in the inside and not on the outside. So let's see here. So we can make one here. That's a right angle there. One there. One here. One here. Same with the bottom right. Same with the bottom left. Same with the one on the left. And this one here. So I don't think we can make any other right angles. We can't really make any other right angles. These are not right angles, by the way. Okay. So let's just delete these and work out how many we have altogether. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 altogether. So I will go for 8 internal right angles for this particular shape. Okay, good luck with the rest of the questions. Just remember, all the questions are very different, and please do working out as well. Thank you.